Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Propwire, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you search properties by lot size in Propwire? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to filter out your property list by lot size anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially if you're wholesaling land, you know that a lot of buyers have a minimum lot size, and with Propwire, you can filter all those out. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propwire dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Propwire, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, I've already pulled up a list of homes. You can see there's 1,166 properties in this little area. Now, if we want to filter out all of these properties by a minimum lot size, what we can do is click here on More, here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see these options, and you want to click on Property Filters. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see lot size. So let's say that maybe we want a minimum lot size of 10,000. Okay. And you can see it's going to pop up here, and we're going to click on Save and Close. You can see it drops it down to 84 results. So if we're able to get a 10,000 square foot lot, you can see that most of these lots are much smaller than that. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to search by lot size using your Propwire account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.